Hello, my name is Samada Fari, a software engineer in Oracle, Apex. I'm here to introduce you to one of my innovations, and I call it Document Organizer. Let's quickly look at what happens in most offices. With most offices, their emphasis is on getting internet connection in the premises, sharing information, and making sure their correspondence is well done. But sometimes they do forget about the importance on keeping information of their document. For instance, typically you might go on a secretary's PC and you might see a lot of PDFs, a lot of Word documents, a lot of Excel spreadsheets just floating all over the desktop, which is wrong. Just imagine the PC get faulty, meaning when this PC is out of the premises, all the information that the accountant and the secretary needs to work is gone. Well, the secretary might depend on backups, maybe some, how do you call it, information pen drive or diskette. How about if that diskette also doesn't work, or the hard disk is corrupted? Pen drive, what else? Let's say the secretary did not attend to work that particular day, and maybe somebody in the accounts department or one of the directors needs a very important information. So how would that director get that document? Okay, so because of that, what I've done is to develop a very simple system for document management, which I call Document Organizer. It's very light and it's more of content management, but it's a simplified version of it. So in a typical office environment, all they'll be looking at is getting internet into the premises, broadcasting to all the various departments so that they can share information, which is good. But now what I am introducing now to small businesses is getting this document organizer sitting on a file server, which could be a normal P4 machine that we may call file server, secured. We'll make sure the antiviruses, everything is intact. Then all documents from the bureau's department will be kept right there, and it's not like it's being saved on an OS. It goes into a database which is made available to authorized users. For instance, if let's say the secretary did not come to work and the director needs some information, when he logs in, he can see all the documents cataloged in a way that searching is made easy. Okay, so typically this system is for organizing your files and retrieving them on time. So let's quickly take a look at how the system works. I've logged into the system right now. What I have is I have a setup that's creating users who can log in and use the system. For instance, I have these two guys, and let me go down to menu. And menu just ask us we have three menus, okay, and have permissions, that's the users and where they can go or authorize that's given. Then we have company, that is registering all the companies that your organization deals with. Okay, so it's another company that you file their records, their documents, which could be a PDF, a Word document, music, anything document. Okay, so let me go to the document type. Yeah, so the document type is very important, the type of document. All this helps in retrieving information on time. So quickly, let's look at how a document is being filed into the system. coming on clicking on this menu here will give me the upload. Okay, all I have to do is to click on file document. I get a worksheet. I pick the person, the company that I'm dealing with. For instance, let me say I'm dealing with Intercom. It's a, let's say, monthly bill. Then I give it a short description of the bill. Let's say corporate, let's say bill for for, let's say, yeah. Then I now browse to where the document is located. Let me just pick this one to be the document. Okay, then I do the, so voila, I have the document here. As you can see, I have it here. I can click here to view the document. So that's it. So it could be any document of any size. Okay, now, which means once I file it, users that has access to viewing document, when they go in, they can see all the company, then the files being organized nicely under them. For instance, when I click on this, obviously music will play. Let's see. That is cool. When I click on this, launches the PDF, which is cool. When I click on this doc, it opens the document. Okay, which is also cool. Let me go back. Sorry. When I click on this, it opens that particular document also for me. So, which is fine. So, in a nutshell, this system is really simple but very powerful in terms of usage. It can be configured in a manner that when even you're not in the office, you can still get access to your document over the internet. Typically, I'll opt for we put in making sure the system information is circulating right within your office premises to your local area network. Okay, but in a situation whereby some of the directors might be traveling and maybe they want access to the information, that is when we'll configure it to enable them to have access to their documents. Not only that, you can view it on your laptops or normal PCs. It can actually be open on iPad, iPhones, any browser phones. You can actually use it to get access to your documents. Lastly, as you can see, it looks very simple, but we can further customize to suit your needs. Maybe your operation might be a little bit complicated, and this system might not perfectly suit your operation. What I'm saying is, this is a custom build system locally right here in Ghana. We can do any kind of modification that you want us to do, provided you are really ready to pay the cost. Hope this demonstration will be very useful to you. Thank you for watching. Bye.